Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the recorder and granting screen and mic permissions so audio flows into the file. Once done, pick the microphone input and sample rate. 48 kHz is a reliable choice for clarity. Make sure to enable system audio if you need desktop sounds, otherwise disable to avoid echo. Adjust quality or bitrate to balance file size versus fidelity. Now position your app windows and press the capture button to start recording both screen and your voice simultaneously. Next, select whether you record the full display or a single app window and lock that source so it won't switch mid-recording. Then route your microphone into the recorder and set input gain. Test speech while watching levels and aim for peaks under -6 decibels to avoid clipping. Once your levels look good, enable audio monitoring or headphones so you hear what's being recorded. If you expect long narrations, enable noise suppression and use a pop filter or distance to tame plosives. When you finish, stop the recording and immediately review playback to confirm picture and voice sync. Exports to MP4 with AAC audio are widely compatible. If timing is off, trim a short lead or retime the audio track in an editor and normalize levels to match other clips. Save a high-quality master and a compressed copy for sharing. If you encounter missing audio, check app permissions, ensure the correct mic is selected, and restart the recorder or audio drivers. That usually resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.